What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to find out the inverse Laplace transform of tan inverse 1 over s. Now in order to do this problem we have to know a property that if Laplace transform of f of t, these are generic thing we have to know in order to do Laplace transform problems. Laplace transform of f of t can be written as capital F of s. Okay, then we can say Laplace transform of t f of t. Whenever we have a function that is multiplied by t, we can replace that one, always replace that one with negative d by ds f of s. Okay, f of s. Then this will become like, if we have f of t that is equivalent to negative 1 over t Laplace inverse of d by ds f of s, like that. Okay, here this is what we are going to apply for this one. Here we have a tan inverse of 1 over t. This is our f of t, that's our function. So if we replace into this pattern, this is going to become negative 1 over t Laplace inverse of d by ds and f of s. In our case f of s is tan inverse 1 of s, tan inverse 1 over s. Okay, now also we have to know the Laplace transform of tan inverse 1 over s. I use a different color to find this. Is d by ds tan inverse 1 over s. In generic pattern, tan inverse 1 over s will become like this: 1 over 1 plus 1 over s whole square minus 1 over s square. And if we simplify this one, it will become 1 over s square plus 1. This is the Laplace, inverse Laplace, this d by ds, like we are taking the derivative with respect to s for tan inverse 1 over s. If we do that, we will end up with this one. Now what we are going to do is we are going to plug that one here. We found the derivative 1 over t Laplace inverse of minus 1 over s square plus 1. And here you can see, here we have a minus outside, minus inside, minus minus plus. So we can eliminate both of those minus because both will become plus. 1 over t Laplace inverse of 1 over, here you can see this is similar to b over s square plus b square. S square, how is it b square? Because 1 square is also 1. So instead of 1, we can just write 1 square to match the sign pattern, because sign pattern is b over s square plus b square. So the Laplace inverse will become sine bt. B is what? 1, so it's going to be just sine t. 1 over t sine bt, b is 1, so this is just a sine t. Then this is going to become sine t over t. This is the Laplace inverse of tan inverse 1 over f's. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.